DigiIP products are about half the price of proprietary AV over IP products. We're able to offer high performance products at a lower price by using cost effective ASIC chips rather than FPGA chips. ASIC chips are by definition purpose built, whereas FPGAs are blank canvases that require huge R&D and engineering investments to develop and program them. The costs for FPGAs are passed on to you, the consumer, through higher prices. ASIC chips also provide a lower cost of ownership by saving energy and money after the sale. ASIC chips draw just 7 watts of power versus 24 watts of power. Using significantly less power to operate our devices saved one customer $20,000 in utility costs every year. Also, low power network switches cost much less. This means even a 10 gig network may now cost the same or even less than a new 1 gig network. For more information, check out some of our other quick hit overview videos or go to our website, libav.com.